morning. My name is Mike Ruff, the Technical Support Manager here at Becker Pumps Corporation. Today I'm going to talk to you about filtration. We're going to focus on external canister options. So we have a clear cover polycarbonate bucket where you can visually see the debris that builds up internally. So in this case I've put some water in here. There are going to be times where applications have humidity, there's going to be moisture that comes in. We can handle that. This is a polyester element. It has no problem dealing with water. So I've put water in here. I'll briefly show you how to exchange the cartridge. It's very simple. So what I'll do is just drain the water down. And then to get rid of the element or to exchange it, it's kind of awkward, but basically you flip the clips, pull the bucket off. Once you do, at the bottom of the cartridge, there's a wing nut. You just loosen that by hand. Sometimes you might need to use channel locks or something, but easy. So once it's off, you just slide the cartridge out. Bear with me. And with a poly, you can actually wash this out. You can use soap and water if you want, if it's really built up inside. You can reuse this multiple times. With the standard air cartridge that's also available, this one you probably want to exchange more often. You can't wash this down, but when this becomes overloaded, it will cause issues with the pump. So just make sure you keep an eye on it. The bucket I have here, I filled with debris. Again, it's just going to hit the cartridge, drop to the bottom. You can visually see it. It's very important. One thing I hear about polycarbonate buckets is that they're not durable. Well, they kind of are, in the sense where you can actually smack it with a baseball bat, and we're going to do that. I'll show you that now. Come over here. Get all baseballed up. Ready? Okay, no damage at all. A little bit of a mark, but that wipes right off. So when you're thinking about filtration, go with the poly. It's the best option. You can see it's durable, no issues.